Genomelink at-home DNA test kit review. Watch before using. If you're considering using the Genomelink at-home DNA test kit, you're in the right place. This DNA test is designed to give you detailed insights into your genetic makeup, offering personalized reports on ancestry, health traits, and more. The kit includes a simple cheek swab that you send back to the lab, where your DNA is analyzed to unlock information about your genetic predispositions, wellness, and traits. Genomelink focuses on providing deeper genetic insights compared to many other at-home DNA tests by offering access to raw genetic data and reports that highlight traits like sleep patterns, fitness potential, nutrition, and even how your body reacts to certain foods and substances. The main target audience for this product are individuals looking for a more detailed, scientific view of their genetic blueprint. It's also great for those who want to explore their health and wellness from a DNA perspective. Genomelink's platform allows users to unlock extra features through a subscription, where you can explore a wide range of genetic traits and even compare your results with the global Genomelink community. This makes it ideal for people who want to dive deeper into understanding their biology beyond just ancestry. In terms of accuracy, Genomelink delivers precise, actionable information. However, it's important to note that it doesn't offer health diagnoses or medical recommendations, which means it's more about providing lifestyle and genetic trait insights. The ease of use is one of its strongest points. The swab is simple, and the turnaround time for results is relatively quick, usually within a few weeks. The reports are easy to understand, and the platform is intuitive for both beginners and experienced users. Genomelink is perfect for anyone looking to connect the dots between their genes and their lifestyle. If you want to improve your fitness regime, make better food choices, or just better understand how your body works, this test could be a valuable tool. The DNA test isn't without its limitations, but it stands out with its level of detail and ability to let users dive into raw genetic data. Ultimately, the Genomelink at-home DNA test kit is a great choice if you're interested in understanding your genetic makeup from a lifestyle perspective. It's user-friendly, offers extensive insight, and is perfect for anyone who wants to take their health and wellness journey to the next level.